Hello, welcome to 7-Minute Chemistry. Today we will be talking about the addition and subtraction of significant figures. So to get us started, I have two examples on the board. One is addition and one is subtraction. Alright, so what I want to do when I'm performing any type of addition and subtraction, the first thing I want to do is I want to align my decimal points up. So I did that already, but I want to align the decimal positions up so that they're aligned, and then I'm going to fill out all the other numbers. Okay, this will help you in the final answer. All right, it also gives a little order to the processes. So here, okay, I have addition. Now what I'm going to do after I have everything aligned, I'm just going to simply perform the indicated operation. So this one is addition. So I'm going to add these two numbers together. All right. So assume for the moment, indulge me, that there are zeros here. All right, even though they're not there, we can assume that they are. All right, don't put them in, it'll change your answer, you'll see why in a second. But assume that there are zeros here. So, for example, I'm going to take 6 plus, since there's nothing there, there's a 0. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus nothing, once again, there's a 0 there, that's 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. Point. 8 plus 0 is 8. I made this easy because I can't do higher mathematics. So 2 plus nothing here, there's a 0 here, there's a 2. And 3 plus 0, there's a 3. Okay? All right, so now what I'm going to do, I have my answer, not my final answer. Next step that I want to perform is I want to highlight the last decimal place in each number of which I added. So this one goes all the way out to the ones place. This goes all the way out to the thousandths place. Okay? What happens here, this one is limiting. This one will limit my answer. Why? Because it doesn't go out as far as this one. You always look at the number with the least decimal places. Okay? So this one only goes out to the tenths. This one goes out to the hundredths. This one limits our final answer because it's not as far. Therefore, my answer can only go out to the tenths place. All right? So when I rewrite this answer, it'll be 328 point something. What I need to do is I need to look at the decimal place to the right of the 7. I have a 7 here as well. This 7 will round this 7 up, right? Any number between 5 and 9 will round this place up. Any number between 1 and 4 or 0 and 4 will round it down. We'll keep it the same. So this 7 will round that 7 up to an 8. Okay? So that's my final answer. Make sense? Here, I have subtraction now. So what am I going to do? Same thing I did over here. Align my decimal points up. I did that already. I'm just going to darken them in for you. Okay? Align them up and perform the indicated operation. Assume that there's a 0 here. Okay? So once again, 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 3 is that comes out to no, I'm kidding. 4 decimal point. 2 minus 7 I can't do. I have to cancel that out. This becomes a 12. Right? 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay, and 0 minus 0 is nothing, so I'm not even going to bother putting anything there. Okay, so this is my final result. Is it my final answer? Well, probably not, because I have to go back and check the decimal places of each of these. This value on the top goes out to the hundredths place. This value only goes out to the tenths place. Therefore, this value limits my answer. My answer can only go out to the tenths place and nothing more. So therefore, my answer becomes 5 point what? Well, the 2 will not round the 4 up. It'll leave it as a 4. So therefore, it's just 5.4. And that would be my final answer.